Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I've got a phrase for you this week which is actually from our book Mahitahi, and there's lots of kind of instructional phrases in this book. The one that we're talking about today is kia tika te tākaro. Kia tika te tākaro. And tika means correct or right, and tākaro is play, and this is about playing nicely. And I'll show you the page that this is on. Kia tika te tākaro, it's about play nicely, and then after that we've got taikama, play nicely tigers. And this is the sort of thing that you would say to children who aren't probably playing nicely. Kia tika te tākaro is kind of like a bit of a warning, settle down. Kia tika te tākaro, play nicely. Don't have to say it, you don't have to say the translation each time, just maybe a few times until they understand what you mean, and the tone of your voice will also help them as well. Kia tika te tākaro, play nicely, and then after a while just kia tika te tākaro. I'm sure that would be a good phrase that you'll find plenty of opportunities to use with the children that you work with. Ka kite.